Hi guys, this is Federico from EasyBiz. In this video I will show you why email marketing is important. If you are new to this channel, we are a team of digital marketers for years and our goal is to help you build an online business in the easiest way. Before starting, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our new fresh content. So let's not waste any time and get started. Stay until the end to understand everything well. If you want to learn more during the video, check the links in the description for more details. So email marketing is something you must have heard of if you work in digital marketing or if you have a business online. But have you ever asked yourself why it's so important? How does email marketing work? Email marketing is a type of digital marketing that involves sending customers commercial emails. It's one of the best and the least expensive ways to advertise. Email marketing is powerful because it lets you get to know your audience and build relationships with them. It's also a very good way to keep customers coming back. When someone gets an email, they always do something. Email marketing can bring more people to your website or social media pages and increase the number of people who buy from you. Why does it matter so much? If email marketing isn't part of your digital marketing plan, you're missing out on a lot of chances to grow your business. Many people think that email is an old way to communicate, but the truth is that it's still a powerful way to market and communicate. Email marketing is important for a lot of different reasons why you should use email marketing. One is cost effective and has a good return on investment. Email marketing is a very good way to spend money. It's different from other ways because you don't have to spend a lot of money on it and can give you a high ROI. So email can be a simple and inexpensive way to start out in a digital marketing project. 2. Action-oriented. Email marketing works so well because it gets people to do things. In every mail, the person who gets it has to do something with an action. He can reply, forward, or just click on the links in the email, which help drive traffic and sales. 3. Relationship with the audience. Email marketing lets you stay in touch with your audience at all times. You can let them know about new deals, products, and offers. Customers will always stick with your brand if you do this. You need two things for email marketing: an email list and an email marketing service. Email list you will need to grow it using traffic and funnels strategies to entice people to learn more about your products or services. Normal email services like Gmail, for example, are made for personal use, so you must choose a suitable email marketing service if you want to use email for business. You can use Aweber, ActiveCampaigns, and GetResponse, which are the best. With the help of a service like this, you can send thousands of emails with just one click and not get banned. If you use a good email marketing service, your emails won't end up in the spam folders either. If you're looking for improve your email marketing, you can go deeper. Check the link in the description below for more details. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. For any question, let us know in the comments section and see you next.